So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. Feeling bored of the same old desktop look? Well, today I'm here to help you transform it into something fresh and exciting in just two simple steps. I promise your desktop will thank you later. Let's get started. Moving towards the first step, click the link in description for Rainmeter. It will redirect you here. Go to this download button and download Rainmeter. Click the second link in the description. It will redirect you to Mount Rainmeter. From here, scroll down and find this blue button. Click on it to download the Mount theme. Now let's get to the desktop. Go to the folder where you have downloaded these two things. Right click on the Rainmeter. Run it as administrator. There are few simple steps to install this. Just click on the install button. I already have installed. So next go to the mod theme, click on it and install this mod as well from the install button. Now let's get into the Microsoft Store. Go to search bar and search for Becky and press enter. An app will appear here. Click on this Becky wallpaper Studio 10 app. Here, a button named as Get will appear. You need to click on the Get button to install Becky. Finally, you need to search for widget in the search bar and go to the widget launcher application. Click on it and click on the Get button that will appear here. I don't have the Get button because I already downloaded it. Now it's time to download our wallpaper. So we need to go to Becky application. Open the Becky application. Go to categories here. Now go to resolution and click on 8K Ultra HD. You will find the wallpaper in the third line. Click on the wallpaper from here. And now you need to click on the set button. Click on set and set it as desktop wallpaper and click on set. First step is done, so moving towards the second step. Now our desktop theme is set completely. Now right click on the desktop, go to view and click on show desktop icons. This will hide all your icons from desktop and desktop will look clean. Now you need to set the mode theme and mode clock. Now go to the small icon in the taskbar, click on it. Now you will find Rainmeter here. Click on the Rainmeter, open it and refresh it once. Now you will find mode, click on mode. Now click on the clock and install this clock from here. Now click on the player below clock and also install the player. Now close the settings and adjust the clock and the player according to you. I want to adjust these here. Now the mode clock is set successfully. Now we need to go to the start menu. From here search for widget launcher. Open the widget launcher. Here you will find many widgets including clocks, calendars and many more, but I want to add the widget of weather only. So from here I will click on launch widget. Now the widget launcher will add weather widget to my desktop. I will adjust somewhere here. Now let's go to the setting menu, from where you need to set the region or the place where you are and click on search. This will load all the weather information of your current location and press OK. Now I want to adjust it somewhere here. It will be better if we adjust it at the bottom. So here is the final look of our desktop theme. If it is looking great on your PC as well, just hit the like button and press the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.